and Violet's gonna... Oh, you cunt! This guy's just hit my car. You pull over now, mate. I've just been hit by some geezer. Just hit my car.
This hit-and-run driver led the police on a wild chase that lasted nearly half an hour, with 5 police cars involved and crossing 2 counties. In the end, they caught him, and surprise, surprise, he was way over the legal drink-drive limit.
I'm not angry. You pull over now, mate.
Do you want me to come with you?
Yeah, call the police. Get the phone. Get the police. Hit and run. Yeah. Yeah, you call the police.
Violet, don't cry, Violet.
No, she ain't crying. Right. I'll call the police and you can speak to me later. Violet, turn it off.
Okay.
Alright.
Turn it off.
Right, Violet, let me ring the police and you be quiet, alright? See you later, mummy. I'm going back towards your kennels now. Follow my map.
Okay.
Bye.
This biker had a real heart-stopping moment on the highway, dodging not 1 but 2 out-of-control cars. Luckily, his skills were sharp enough to handle it like a pro.
Got you on camera, you camera! You want to see the camera? Look at the camera and do it. I'm not getting out. You can't look at the camera. Go away. Drive. Just drive. I'm talking to you. Just drive, please. Just drive. Just drive. You're on camera. You're on camera. Arsehole.
A black SUV botches a stale turn light, nearly causing a crash, then freezes when it's safe to go. Finally, they move, but a red light runner steals the spotlight.
What the fuck, man?
This driver caught 2 wild driving moments in one video. Road rage kicked off when one driver didn't notice the light turn green and the impatient beeper behind them just couldn't wait. Cue the confrontation!
Let him go. Let him go. They've been sitting there probably waiting for...
Yeah, and she would have hit me.
Yes.
That she didn't have the right of way.
Wow. Look at that.
You arrogant bloody
Nobody likes drivers who try to skip the queue.
ERG 8922. There's another one. About to get in an accident with the other cutter. The cutter getting cutting off. What the hell did this guy just do? Jesus. You should have found a better place to pull him over, unless it's an accident. Damn, all this because maybe this vehicle is. Okay.
Looks like this might have been a homeless person who wasn't too worried about getting help. They just left without a word. Hopefully they're fine and the van only has a small dent. Seems like they've been through this before. Reckless driver goes off-road to pass a big rig, hits the driver's side, and then takes off. Classic hit and run.
What the?
Psycho.
This dashcam caught a road rage showdown between a big truck and an SUV. And of course, the SUV ended up on the losing side.
What the f are you doing? Wow.
My taxes can erode returns quickly, so you need a tax-optimized portfolio.
Damn, they almost got him.
Money managers and specialists work with you key.
Y'all people need to pay attention.
Your wellness sector.
Leave a little room there.
Creative planning.
Trucker 101.
Creative planning.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.